see if he does it this time. Keep going, keep going. Oh, he gives up. Wait, wait, wait. Come on, come on. Oh, oh, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, yay! He did it. Say, I did it. Oh. Wow. That is the first time he has ever rolled from his belly back to his back, and I caught it on tape. And back to the belly again. Good job, son. You don't get it? Get it? That's my boy.